Hello. In this video, we will be talking about what is gravitational force. So first of all, I will try to explain what is the force of gravitation. In this universe, if two particles having some masses, there is always force of attraction between these two particles. We called it force of gravitation. Suppose if we drop any object towards the surface of the earth, if we drop any object, it is always attracted towards the surface of the earth. So this is the force, we call it gravity. This invisible force is called gravity. So in this universe, if we consider any body having certain masses, it is always attracted by the force of attraction, we call it gravity. If we consider two point masses, m1 and m2, suppose this is two mass, this is two point mass. Point mass means a small mass, okay? This is two point mass, and suppose this is separated by a small distance or any distance r. If we try to find out the force of attraction or gravitational force of attraction between them, then Newton deduced the one expression, we called it Newton law of gravitation. According to Newton, the force of attraction, the magnitude of force of attraction between 2 point masses is always directly proportional to product of their masses, and as well as this force is also inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Okay, so when we combine these two equations, we get F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. This is the mathematical expression for gravitational force. We call it Newton law of gravitation. Means in this universe, the force of attraction between two body or two masses is always directly proportional to product of their masses, and also it is inversely proportional to square of the separation or distance between them. When we combine these two equations 1 and 2, we get F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square, or we can write F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. This G is called the constant of proportionality. This G is called the constant of proportionality. We call it universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Okay, its value is constant throughout the universe, and its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, okay, Newton meter square per kg square. We call it universal gravitational constant. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, unit is Newton meter square per kg square. So what is the gravity or gravitational force? Gravitational force is the force of attraction between any two masses. If earth attract any object towards its we call this force is gravity. This invisible force is called gravity. Due to this gravity, earth pull everything towards it. Like due to this gravity, we can stand, we can sit, only this gravitational force. So this is the invisible force. Like if we drop any object, it is always moves towards the surface of the earth, and this exact force acts on the celestial bodies. Or if we consider any mass in the universe, this force always acts. Thank you.